Half a day from Guam. Today I'm going to make diabetic ham and cheese, grilled ham and cheese. So what I use as bread is this, which is Naan whole grain. So you can see on the back label the sugar content and carbohydrate. So that's why it's very effective to use this as your sandwich bread. And just some ham. So not honey, just plain cooked ham. So no coated, sugar coat. So just plain ham sandwich. And I use Swiss cheese and some flavoring. There you go. And on the side, I will prepare for some celery and avocado and some olives. When I make a grilled sandwich, I use our waffle maker. And then, as you can see, that's where I put the Italian seasoning, and that's the Swiss cheese and ham. And this is the finished product. As you can see, it's brown and crispy on the outside, and the cheese is melted on the meat with the Italian seasoning and some avocado side, olive, and celery. That's your diabetic, low glycemic, and low salt lunch for today. Grilled ham and cheese, vegetables. Enjoy!